guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining. My name's Amanda, but my friends call me Min. If you're not new here, thanks for joining again. Today's video, I am filming in a different area. As you can see, I'm upstairs sitting on my couch. I didn't feel like going downstairs to where my beauty setup is. I'm the only one home right now. I was just kind of relaxed and I wanted to do this video. I've put it off for a little while, but I really wanted to test the products out for you. This video is all about an app called Influenster. It's an online place to go and give reviews on everything from makeup to tech stuff to pet stuff to kids stuff, food, alcohol, whatever. As you can review everything. I set my profile more towards beauty because, well, that's what we do here at Min's Beauty. Hence the name, right? I've been a member of Influenster for a few years, but I just recently really got into being active on Influenster about a few months ago. You connect all of your social networking platforms, your Instagram, your Facebook, your YouTube, any blog sites that you have, and it kind of calculates a score for you. And I think the higher that number is, the more chances likely you are to get a Voxbox or something. I'm not sure how they pick it, but I think that might play a role in it. So every once in a while, they send out something called a Voxbox. If you get selected to be a part of a Voxbox, you will get an email saying you've been put on a short list, and it'll tell you a little bit about what's going to be coming, and it will give you an option to say yes, you want to be a part of it, or you can opt out of the box and say, nah, it's not really something that interests me. Anyways, enough about that. Let's get into what they sent because I got my very first Influenster Voxbox. This is what came. I do have to mention that Influencer sent me this box completely free just for my honest review and opinion about the products that came inside. This is sponsored by Neostrata, and when you open it up you get a little pamphlet kind of talking about one of the products that you get. Let's pull out the tissue paper, and these are the products that I got to test out. We have the Neostrata Restore Skin Recovery Duo. You get the PHA facial cleanser and the bionic face cream in this little package. And then in this guy, we have the 0.3% retinol overnight peel. It is a high strength weekly treatment. So I'm going to talk a little bit about, I'm going to open up this guy first. They did send me, these are just sample sizes. And for some reason, I'm not sure where the face cream tube went. I think it actually might still be in my shower. It looks just like this, same size and everything, but it's just the facial cleanser. And I'll talk about that first. You know what? I did not like that product. Hands down, it's, for a facial cleanser, I didn't feel clean. It didn't lather at all. It felt like I was literally rubbing balm all over my face, and then when I rinse, I did not feel clean. I mean, I didn't even feel like my makeup was off. The PHA facial cleanser, the first full-size bottle retails for $30, and you get 6.8 fluid ounces. It says it is a soap-free, non-foaming gel formulation, gently cleanses and prepares the skin to optimize the skincare regime that follows. Formulated with a non-irritating polyhydroxy acid, PHA, known to lightly exfoliate without drying the skin's protective moisture barrier. That's what it says about it. I don't know. I didn't like it. That's just me. On to the Bionic Face Cream. Of course, it's just a sample size. The full size retails for $75, and you get 1.4 fluid ounces. It says it provides intense hydration and helps soothe and revitalize the look of stressed skin. This doesn't have a smell to it. It has a very thick consistency. Let's pour some out here. It is very hydrating. I like the cream. It does feel, you can see it's hydrating. It doesn't feel greasy at all. It absorbs quickly into the skin. Would I pay $75 for this? Probably not. I have other face creams that are comparable and more affordable, but I am happy to be able to test it out because, I mean, why not? Now, this bad boy is the star of the show, I think. This is the Retinol 0.3% Overnight Peel. The full size retails for $80, and that is for a 3-month supply of 12 pads because it's a weekly treatment, so you do it once a week. This that they sent me is a 1-month supply, so I get 4 peel pads with it. I'm going to read a little bit about what it says here. It says, this intensive weekly peel delivers 0.3% pure stabilized retinol to exfoliate and reveal fresh new skin. Contains 10% neostrate to target skin's natural firming, hydrating matrix. Retinol helps to smooth wrinkles, excuse me, and promote a more even appearance. And Neostrata is an anti-aging firming booster that targets skin natural matrix. Okay, first of all, let's open this. You pull these bad boys out. They come all individually wrapped like this. When you open it, it's just a little round white circle. It kind of looks like those little cleansing pads. Remember? I used to use them in high school. I don't really use those cleansing pads anymore, but that's what it looks like. And be warned, it has a extremely strong smell of alcohol. I mean, it took my breath away to begin with. The scent is strong. Be warned of that. I didn't feel anything or notice anything right away, but about after 10 minutes or so, I did notice a slight tingling sensation. It wasn't painful or overwhelming, but I could definitely feel it doing something. When I woke up the next morning, I washed it all off, and I gotta say, my skin looked pretty damn good. I mean, look, I will post a before picture right here. And I will post my after picture right here and kind of put them together so you can see. Okay, so that's after just one use. I'm pretty stoked about those results, right? I will do another update later on when I have finished the rest of the pads. So far after one use, seeing those results, I'm pretty happy. Anyways, before I ramble on any more, because I am finished talking about what I got in my box, I want to say thank you again to Influenster for sending me these products to review. And also a big thank you to Neostrata, because this is my new lair. And yeah, I couldn't be happier to be able to test this out. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for giving me these few minutes out of your day. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.